Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something for Halloween time, or really any time if you want to scare someone. We're going to make these fun spiders that you can make walk over and get to anybody. They're very fun. So it's pretty easy, I think. So we're going to try it out. So we're going to start with a piece of black construction paper. I use blue for the head, but you could use anything. We have googly eyes, so the eyes will move all over the place. And then we need scissors. I'll just show you. These are this is the Eiffel Tower scissors they brought out. Something to trace a circle, and then a smaller circle. Glue stick, pencil, and a craft stick. That's what we used. So we're going to start by tracing the body. And I'm actually going to use the outside of this one.
So you could use a lid from like a yogurt container or butter, anything that's a circle.
Anything that you sort of have around your house, you can use. Now, before we cut out that part of it, we're going to make the legs. So we're going to cut 4 strips this way. I'm going to try and make them thin because spiders that I see tend to have thin legs. So I'm just going to cut all the way down to the end. They're not going to be exactly the same size because I'm not measuring that. I'm just cutting. So just think about that when you're doing it. So we've got 9, that was 3 pieces. Now we have 4 pieces because they're going to be in half, which will give us the 8 legs of the spider. Now to make this, to make the body parts, we need 2 of these. So I'm folding my paper in half. This is a really good trick to get the same size of something. I'm going to cut both pieces at the same time. So I'm cutting around my lines, doing the best that I can, because it is on black paper, so it's a little hard to see. And now I have a roundish body. And now I'm going to take them, because I have 2 pieces. Use my glue stick to put glue all over one side of the body. I'm putting a lot of glue because we're going to have to put a lot of things on here. And I'm going to crisscross the legs as best I can. So you can see you'll have 4 pieces on each side, which will be good. And then once that's done, and you want to sort of be even, I like mine are super even. Then you're going to take your craft stick, because that's the thing that's going to help you make it walk. I'm going to put it right here, press down on all of these, and then this part's a little tricky because your legs might move. So see what I'm doing? I'm holding them down with one finger there. I'm going to add some more glue to the legs and to the craft stick. I'm going to open up and put out some more glue. I'm using a lot of my glue stick. I'm going to try not to use the whole glue stick, but I am using a lot because I really want it to stay. Now I'm going to take the other side of the body and put that on. And now we have most of the spider. So you can see that? But I like their legs to bend. So I'm going to come in like this, fold these up a little bit, fold back down. So now you see it's like this, but I also want them to have feet. So I'm going to give a little crease there. It's a lot of little creases to make the legs, but that'll make it really fun, and maybe you can be a little spooky in your house with your spider, because that would be fun. Okay, so I'm going to quickly make my creases, add the feet to each of these legs, and then we're going to get to the head. Okay, so here's the beginning of your spider, but he needs a head and a face. So I'm going to trace, oops, this is a little bit big. I'm going to trace this side of it because that's what I can.
You need only one head, Miss Kate?
You just need one head, not 2 heads. The other side was from when I made that one. And I'm going to take my glue stick. Now this time I want the head to hang over just a little bit, but not very much. So I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'll put just some glue right there. Press that down. And now, Googly Eyes. So to get Googly Eyes on, it's a little bit, I'm just going to use, see I'm using my finger to just sort of rub it into the glue stick here, and then I'll put that on where I want it to go. If you have trouble making it stick, you could also use a little school glue there, but you just have to wait to play with it until the glue stick is dry. I mean, till the Elmer's glue or whatever school glue you're using is dry. Okay, if you want to, you can also add, try to make their eyes even, a little smile if you want it to be friendly. And now you have 2 spiders to come and get someone. Although I really like spiders, so they're not really going to get us. Okay, there you go. Fun spiders to make for Halloween time. Right, everyone, thank you for joining us today. Remember, if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, Alameda Arts. You could also send us pictures of any spiders that you make to Instagram by hashtagging Alameda Arts Fun. That way we'll see them. And something new that Miss Hazel and I just started. We're going to play Spot the Difference. So I actually forgot from the last time she made one to move something. But see all the stuff behind us? If you've watched a lot of our videos, you'll see that things have changed. If you notice something that has changed from one of the other videos, please send us an email at info@alamedaarts.com. You can find that on our website if you want to, and we will send you a surprise in the mail. Okay, thanks everyone. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends.